ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद आत्मेत्यवोपासित. In this, Purvapakshi said there is Apurva Vidhi, its Khandanam is done. On page 230, which we saw yesterday, in Bhashya, second last line, Mantravidevasmi na Atmavid Soham Bhagavah Shochami. Bhagavah Shabda. How Bhagavah Shabda comes? Bhagavat Shabda is there. Matu Pratyay is there on Bhaga. That Matu Pratyaya, in that first it will become in Prathama Bhagavan. Then Nakara will get Ru Adesha. In Prathama also and in Sambodhana Vibhakti also. So the sutra is Matu Vaso Ru Sambuddhau Chandasi. Matu Vaso Ru Sambuddhau Chandasi. 831. In Chandogya 6th chapter also many times this comes. Shvetaketu says Bhagavaha Bhagavaha. So Bhagava is this. Matu Vaso Ru Chandasi. The Sambuddhau Chandasi. Now on to 31. 9 number Tippani, there is one correction. Apramanyam iti on 231. Yathokta jnana janakatvat tatha cha upadhihi, it is given, right? Make it upadhehe. Upadhehe sadhana vyapakata iti bhava. If upadhi is sadhana vyapaka, then what will happen? If upadhi is sadhana vyapaka, then it will not be upadhi. So this one correction was there. Another correction, it will come later. So see in Bhashya now. Pravartaka Jnana Janakatvam is Upadhi. Purva Pakshi had given this Upadhi in Siddhanti's Anumana. Siddhanti is saying, no, that is not true. Nanu Darsha Purnam Asadi Vakyana Purusha Pravritti Vijnanotpadakatvat Pramanyam Atma Vijnana Vakyeshu Tannasti iti. Darsha Purnamasa Vakya, they are Purusha Pravritti Vijnana Utpadaka. Means they will produce a Jnanam which will prompt you to do some Pravritti. You have to do the Yaga for Swarga Prapti. So Purusha Pravritti Vijnana Utpadakatvam will be there in Darsha Purnamasa Vakya. And therefore they have Pramanya. Purvapakshi is saying. Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi, these Vakyas, they produce Vijnanam. But what is lacking in these Vijnanam? पुरुष प्रवृत्ति विज्ञान उत्पादकत्वम इज नॉट देयर और प्रवर्तक ज्ञान जनकत्वम इज नॉट देयर. वाक्येषु तन्नास्ति इति. सिद्धांति सेज सत्यम. सी टीका. साधन व्याप्तिम धुनीते. धुनीते धुई कंपने धातु लट लकार प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन. So in 12 number टिप्पणी it is given. पूर्ववादी उपाधेः साधन व्यापकत्वं निरस्यति. Dhunite means its nirasa is there done of sadhana vyapti. Sadhana vyapti means the sadhana avyapakatvam is being shown. It is not sadhana vyapaka. That Atma Vijnana Vakya doesn't have Pravartaka Jnana Janakatvam. Tika. Pravartaka Dhi Janakatvam Dharmini Nasti iti Angikaroti. Siddhanti says Pravartaka Dhi Janakatvam is not there in Dharmi. What is Dharmi? If we do Anumanam. Parvato Vanniman. Humat. What is Dharmi? Parvata. Parvata is called Dharmi. In Parvata Dharmi, we have to prove Vanni Dharma. So, here in this Anumanam, who is Dharmi? Tattvamasi Mahavakya or any Vedanta Vakya. They do not have Pravartaka Dhi Janakatvam. Dharmini Nasti iti Angikaroti Siddhanti. Siddhanti says Satya. Satyavam. Tika. Tarhi Yathok Upadhi Sadbhavat. Yathokta Ashanka. Urvashi thinks therefore Upadhi is there. Upadhi Sadbhavat Anumana Anuthanam. Anumana Anuthanam. That Anumanam who had done? Siddhanti. Where was the Anumanam? Vimatam Swarthe Manam. This was there on previous page. Same page. Vimatam Swarthe Manam. 231. Tika second line. Tarhi Yathokta Upadhi Sadbhavat Anumana Anuthanam iti Ashankya Aha. Narisha Dosha. 15 number tippani you see. Kincha Vimatam not Anumanam. Amanam. Nu is extra. In that book, Nu is there? Vimatam Amanam. Vakyatve sati pravartaka jnana ajanakatvad. Pravartaka jnana janakatvad. There is a Vakya, but it does not have pravartaka jnana janakatvam. Drishtanta he gives Jarat Gavadi Vakya. What? Iti Abhishtam. Jarat Gavadi Vakya, there is a shloka. Jarat Gava Kambala Padukabhyam Dwari Sthito Gayati Bhadrakani Tam Brahmani Pruchhati Putrakama Rajan Rumayam Lavanasya Kortha. This is the shloka. Beautiful shloka is there, it has no meaning. So that is what here it is given. Jarat Gavadi Vakya is Vakya, but it has no purpose. Because in that shloka, Jarat Gava, an old bull, कंबल पादुकाभ्याम द्वारि स्थितः is standing at the door with Kambala and Paduka. What bull standing outside with Paduka and Kambala, blanket, and is singing Bhadrakani, some stotrani, etc. And the Brahmani who is inside the house is asking who wants Putra, Putra Kama. Brahmani, Pruchati Putra Kama, Rajan, O king, Rumayam, means in the mine of a salt. What is the price of garlic? So there is no connection. Asangat Vakya is there. So then such Vakya doesn't produce any Jnana. That is the Drashtanta. Iti abhishtam vyatirekam nirachaste naisha. Naisha dosha in Bhashya. Pramanya karana upapattehe. So understand the concept now. Purvapakshi said Darsha Purnamasa Vakya has Pravartaka Jnana Janakatvam. Therefore it is Pramanika. Atma Vijnana Vakya doesn't have Pravartaka Jnana Janakatvam. Therefore it is Apramanika. Siddhanti says, yes, Atma Jnanam does not have Pravartaka Jnana Janakatvam like Darsha Purnamasa Vakya. But Pramanya Karana is different. Pramanya Karana Upapatti is there in Atma Vijnana Vakya. It is not karma, it is something else. Tika. Nahi pravartaka dhi janakatvam pramanya karanam. Nisheda vakyeshu apramanya prasangat. Pravartaka dhi janakatvam pramanya na karanam. Pravartaka dhi janakatvam is not karanam for something to be pramanam. Then, if you accept that, in Nisheda Vakya also there is no Pravartakatvam, but still you accept them as Pramanam. So Nisheda Vakyeshu Apramanya Prasangat. If you are looking only for Yatra Yatra Pravartaka Dhi Janakatvam Tatra Tatra Pramanyam, in Nisheda Vakya Apramanyam will come. Nacha Nivartaka Dhi Janakatvam Api Tatha Vidhau Apramanya Prasangat. In the same way, Nivartaka Dhi Janakatvam also will become Nivartaka Dhi Janakatvam api Tatha Vidhau Apramanya Prasangat iti na cha. So where there is no Pravartakatvam, Purvapakshi says this is also Apramanya. Na ubhayam prati ekam ubhaya karanatva abhavena apramanyat iti bhava. Ubhayam prati, either it is Nisheda Vakya or Nivartaka Vakya, like Kalanjam na bhakshe. So it is Nivarta Vakya, Nivartaka Vakya or Mahinsyat Sarva Bhutani. So either you consider them as Nivartaka Vakya, means somebody who has already started doing something, he has to stop. Or if there is a Nisheda, either way, in them a Pramanya Prasanga will come if you consider only Pravrutti as the criteria. Na ubhayam prati ekam ubhaya karanatva abhavena apramanya. For both of them, apramanya will not be there because they both do not have pravartaka as the karanam. Iti bhava. Vedanteshu pravartaka dhi janakatva abhavo na kevalam adoshaha kintu gunaha ityaha. Siddhanti is saying in Vedanta, if pravartaka dhi janakatva is not there, it is not a dosha. In fact, it is guna. See in Bhashya. Pramanya karanam cha yathoktam eva na anyat. Pramanya karanam is यथोक्तम एव. Siddhanti will say यथोक्तम means फलवत निश्चित ज्ञान जनकत्वम. This was said on 230 in the first line in Bhashya. निश्चित फलवत विज्ञान उत्पादकत्वम. This is the criteria for pramanyam. So Siddhanti says it is not a dosha if Vedanta is not asking you to do something. Okay, but it is adosha. Not only adosha, it is guna also. Alankarasya ayam yad sarva pravritti bija nirodha phalavat vijnanotpadakatvam atma pratipadaka vakyanam na apramanya karanam. Siddhanti is saying, Bhashyakar is saying, this is alankara. This is something which is positive for us. What? That you hear something and you don't have to do anything and still you become happy. Means you discover something highest. If you hear something, you don't have to do pravritti, but then nothing happens, that is also there. But here it is not like that. You discover that you are Ananda Swarupa when you study Vedanta. This is the Alankara. Alankarasya yat sarva pravritti bija nirodha phalavat vijnana utpadakatva. It will produce that jnanam which is sarva pravritti bija nirodha phala. All pravritti will be eliminated. In fact, pravritti's bija itself is avidya is eliminated. Nirodha phalavat vijnana utpadakatvam atma pratipadaka vakyanam na apramanya karanam. And therefore, atma pratipadaka vakya is not apramana, they have pramanya. Tika. Atmanam chet ityadi shrutehe etad buddhva ityadi smrutescha atmanam chet
Vijaniya ayamasmiti purusha.
And etad buddhva smrutescha atma jnanam kritakrityata nidanam. Atma jnanam is the nidanam. Nidanam means mulakaranam for kritakrityata. Atma jnanam will give you kritakrityata. Atma jnanam is the cause of fulfillment. Even though in Vivek Chudamani, the moment Vidyarthi comes and asks the question, Guru says, Dhanyosi kritakrit. But actually he has not become kritakrit. This is only, you will become. Bhavi vritti is there, that you have asked the right question and you have come to right place. That is why. Kritakrityata nidanam. न च ज्ञानस्य प्रवर्तकत्वे तद्युक्तं प्रवृत्तीनां क्लेशाक्षेपकत्वात् अतो यथोक्त ज्ञानजनकत्वं वाक्यानां भूषणम् एव इत्यर्थः. न च ज्ञानस्य प्रवर्तकत्वे. If ज्ञानम is प्रवर्तक ज्ञानम, ज्ञानस्य प्रवर्तकत्वे तद युक्तम प्रवृत्तीनां क्लेश आक्षेपकत्वात्. Pravritti is akshepaka. Akshepaka means it is a projector of klesha. Some dukha. Any pravritti means you understand there will be some or the other inconvenience, discomfort. That's why we like normal lifestyle where everything is same. Every day, same thing. Every day. Some here and there means it is klesha akshepa. Pravrittinam klesha akshepakatvat. And when you have to do this big yaga, etc., it is always there. Ato, यथोक्त ज्ञान जनकत्वम, but this kind of vakya, Vedanta vakya, they don't have klesha prayojakatvam. So those vakyas which are there, they have klesha akshepakatva, means klesha prayojakatva. But Vedanta vakya do not have klesha akshepakatva. And that's why yathokta jnana janakatvam vakyanam bhushanam eva ityartha. In this way you have to understand that sentence. Jnanasya pravartakatve. This is true for darsha purnadi. They will have klesha akshepakatva. Vedanta vakya does not have klesha akshepa, that nacha. And therefore yathokta jnana janakatvam vakyanam bhushanam. So Vedanta vakya is bhushanam because this klesha akshepa is also not there. Pravritti is dukkham. Pravartakatve tad yuktam pravrittinam. Jnanasya, acha, what is the meaning of that? Jnanasya pravartakatve tad yuktam pramanyam. When pravartakatvam is there, pramanyam is there. That we don't deny. But along with that pramanyam will come klesha akshepakatvam also. Whereas Vedanta Vakya has pramanyam also and klesha akshepakatvam is also not there. That's why it is bhushanam. And this is how I will put the pankti. Further now in Tika. So here first vikalpa is over. You remember two vikalpas were there by Purvapakshi. On page number 222, two vikalpas were created. I had told you for 10 pages, first vikalpa will go on. So 222 to 232 is first vikalpa. Siddhanti has done khandanam. What is that? That this Atmetyavopasita, Purvapakshi said, is Apurva Vidhi. If it is Apurva Vidhi, then Siddhanti showed all the defects and therefore it is not Apurva Vidhi. Dvitiya Vikalpa is what? This Atmetyavopasita is Vakya Janya Jnanam. It will produce one Jnanam. But that Jnanam is not Moksha Janakam. This Jnanam, then you have to do Upasana. That Upasana will produce Dvitiya Jnanam. That Jnanam is Ajnana Nivartakam. That Jnanam will have Ajnana Nivartakatvam. So, see in Tika, he explains. Shabdotham Jnanam Videyam iti pratikshipya. Purvokta Pakshantaram Anuvadati. Shabdotha Jnanam is Videyam, means there is a Vidhi. In this Vedanta Janya Jnanam, there is a Vidhi. This was first Purvapaksha. Its pratikshepanam is done, means it is refuted. Pratikshipya. Purvokta Pakshantaram Aduvadati. Purvokta means on page 222. That. So Siddhanti is doing Anuvada, so that those who don't remember, he puts it there. Yattu Uktam Vijnaya Prajnam Kurvita. You remember this quotation was given by Purvapakshi. If you don't remember, you see that page. Should be there on first line in Bhashya. Vijnaya Prajnam Kurvita. Tameva Dhiro Vijnaya Prajnam Kurvita Brahmanaha. Nanu Dhyayan Bahun Shabdan. Vacho Viglapanam Hita. So there, Vijnaya Prajnam Kurvita. In this, two things are there. First, Vijnaya, lep pratyay is there. Then the same karta has to do prajna. What is the sutra? This is same as Srishtva Pravishat. What was the sutra there? Samana kartakayoho purvakale. Same karta who has first gained the knowledge now has to do prajna. Vijnaya prajnam kurveta. This is Purvapakshi suggesting. इत्यादि वचनानां वाक्यार्थ विज्ञान व्यतिरेकेण उपासनार्थत्वम् इति. First I will get vakyartha jnanam. Vakyartha vijnana vyatirekena. After that I have to do another upasana. Iti. Tika. उपासनार्थत्वम् इति आत्मोपासनेन तत् साक्षात्कारं भावयेत् इति एवं अर्थत्वम् इत्यर्थः. उपासनार्थत्वम्, पूर्वपक्षी सजेशन वाज दिस, इति आत्मोपासनेन तत् साक्षात्कारं भावयेत्. So by doing atma upasana you will get sakshatkar. Vedanta Vakya will give you jnanam. It will be paroksha only. Then when you do upasana, it will become aparoksha. Iti evam arthatvam ityartha. So now Siddhanti is not agreeing with Purvapakshi, but Abhyupagama Vade. So first he says, okay, whatever you are saying is okay. What is Abhyupagama? I had given the Vakya, see. वादी बल परीक्षणार्थः
परसिद्धान्तः स्वीकारः.
स्वीकारः. वादी बल परीक्षणार्थ पर सिद्धांत स्वीकार. दिस इज अभ्युपेत्य. सो अभ्युपगम हैविंग एक्सेप्टेड दैट सिद्धांत से सत्यमेत. It is not vastavik. Vasutastu will come later. Now he just says abhyupagama vadena pariharati satyamiti. Kintu na apurva vidhi arthata. So you see, in part Siddhanti accepts. Purvapakshi said is apurva vidhi. Therefore, you have to have upasana. Upasana will produce sakshatkar janaka jnana. Siddhanti will say, not apurva vidhi, niyama vidhi. See, kintu na apurva vidhi arthata. Why? Because it is pakshe prapta. Pakshe praptasya niyamarthata eva. There will be niyama vidhi. What is the shloka for that? Because that I already said.
तत्र चान्यत्र च प्राप्तौ परिसंख्येति गीयते.
विधिरत्यन्तम प्राप्तौ नियमो पाक्षिके सति. तत्र चान्यत्र च प्राप्तौ परिसंख्येति प्राप्तः परिसंख्येति गीयते. So परिसंख्या विधि is there if both of them are not there. टीका. यथोक्तेषु वाक्येषु आत्मोपासनम तत् साक्षात्कारम उद्दिश्य विधीयते चेत प्रकृते अपि वाक्ये तत् संभवात् न अपूर्व विधि इति प्रक्रमो भज्येत इति आशंक्याः. यथोक्तेषु वाक्येषु आत्मोपासनम तत् साक्षात्कारम उद्दिश्य विधीयते चेत. In this वाक्य Atma upasanam for the sake of sakshatkara, for the sake of realization. If that vidhanam is done, vidhiyate chet, प्रकृते अपि वाक्ये, in the prakrita vakya also, tat sambhavat, it is possible, tat sambhavat, na apurva vidhi iti prakramo bhajyeta. So, prakrama means upakrama. The krama, we will not take apurva vidhi. Why? Because pakshika prapti is there. Therefore, we will have niyama vidhi. No, atmetyavopasika. Prakrita prakaranam is of atmetyavopasika. यथोक्तेषु वाक्येषु विज्ञाय प्रज्ञां कुर्वीत. प्रकृत वाक्य इज आत्मेत्योपासित. यथोक्त वाक्य इज दिस तमेव धीरो विज्ञाय प्रज्ञां कुर्वीत ब्राह्मण. कथं तर्हि विधि अंगीकार वाचो युक्ति ही इति आशंक्याः. Somebody is asking, why did you accept vidhi? Earlier you were saying no vidhi. कथं तर्हि विधि अंगीकार वाचो युक्ति ही इति आशंक्याः. पक्षे प्राप्तस्य, because it is pakshe prapta, therefore niyama vidhi. So he explains what is niyama vidhi in the next sentence. Later Siddhanti is going to say there is no niyama vidhi also. Right now he is just accepting it. Means if at all we have to accept vidhi in Vedanta Vakya, which is producing jnanam about Atma, we will take niyama vidhi. But really speaking, in jnanam there is no vidhi. So this Siddhanta we should remember. Then Vastavik, in jnanam there is no vidhi. If at all we accept Bhashyakara, how he has accepted, if at all we have to accept, then we will accept niyama vidhi. But Sureshwaracharya ji has accepted Parisankhya vidhi also in Naishkarmya Siddhi. Means it is not apurva. Between niyama and Parisankhya, what is the bheda? Niyama vidhi says Atma vare drashtavya. Means you have to do Atma darshana. When you have the choice, Pakshe prapta means Atma darshanam is prapta, Anatma darshanam is also prapta. So what should I do? Shastra says we'll do vidhanam. Atma vare drashtavya. How Sureshwaracharya has taken Anatmana drashtavya. Because what is aparoksha, always, for that vidhi is not required. So you just tell what you should not do. That's all. That is how he has explained. Yatha pakshe praptasya. Now what is niyama vidhi drishtanta? This is the drishtanta. Pakshe praptasya avaghatasya vrihin avahanti iti niyama rupo vidhi angikrita. So this up to this is drishtanta. That vrihi is there, avahananam means to pound on it, to split the husk from the rice or whatever is the grain, removing the husk and keeping the grain. For that you have to do avahananam, not nakhavidalanam. With the nails you don't split them, or you don't use any other modern methods, etc. This is what you will have to do. Avaghatasya vrihin avahanti iti niyama rupo vidhi. This niyama vidhi angikrita there. Because pakshe prapti is there are more than one vikalpas. So you do this one. तथा आत्मोपासनस्यापि पक्षे प्राप्तस्य तदेव कर्तव्य न अनात्मोपासनम इति यो नियमः. See, Anand Giriji says Atmopasanam means na anatmopasanam kartavya. So it is Parisankhya. Niyama and Parisankhya, they are like two sides of a coin, you know. But we saw in Artha Sangraha, Drishtanta for Parisankhya is Pancha Pancha Nakha. So you don't do anything other than this in this way. Don't do bhakshanam of other animals other than these five, which is panchanakha. So here he gives na anatmopasanam is more for explanation. Iti yo niyamaha tadarthata prakrutavakyasya iti na prakrama virodho asti, and therefore there is no prakrama virodha, means the upakrama is continued as it was there. Now Acharya will explain how this Niyama Vidhi should be understood, and then later he will refute it. But what is the main thing in Purva Paksha? That Smriti Santati, that with the help of Tyaga, Vairagya, etc., I should not forget Atma Vijnana. And therefore, I need some injunction. That portion will be discussed, we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Padarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.